Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add image in Webflow. Let's get started. First, go to webflow.com. Then, click Login. Here, you can either sign in with Google or enter your email and password manually. After signing in, you will be directed to a page where you can see all your Webflow projects. Choose the specific project you want to add image to. Click Open in Webflow. Then, click on the Add Elements panel on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and look for the image element. Click on it, and the pop-up window will show. Click on Replace Image. This will show your asset manager and the images you uploaded before. You can simply drag your image files from your computer directly into the asset manager or even in your page. Or you can either click on it and this will automatically uploads them and creates an image element on your side. After that, you can change the size and type of it in the pop-up window or on the settings on the right side of the screen. And that's it. You have now added an image in your Webflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.